What happened?
Yes, down a little. Dow lost 24 points, closed at 20,919. Now, consumer discretionary stocks sold off after some earnings from department stores. No surprise, they've been struggling for a while now. First-time job list claims came in at 236,000, a little lower than expected, and showed continued strength in the labor market. The yield on the U.S. Treasury fell to 2.4%. So, kind of a flat day yesterday.
Yeah, all right. Let's get to some company news and some home buyers. What are we hearing from about first-time home buyers?
Right. First-time home buyers are coming back to the market after almost a decade of sitting out. They account for 42% of buys this year, up from 38% last year and 31% 2 years ago. Builders are making 31% of their new speculative homes geared to first-time home buyers, up 27% from last year and 24% from 2 years ago. So first-time buyers coming back into the market.
First-time buyers coming back in a big way. That's good news for everybody because you got to have somebody to buy your home so you can buy the next home. But you need first-time home buyers to sort of start the process. So
you got it.
That's really good. What are we hearing from China?
Now, this is good news, too. A new trade deal with China should open up their markets to our products. The deal will especially help ranchers and finance companies. We will also be exporting natural gas to them, and we will open our markets up to their chicken. Last year, we had $347 billion deficit with China. Hopefully that will decrease with this deal.
All right. And then how about OPEC?
OPEC, which we've talked about many times, raises their production forecast for countries not under their control by 60%. They now expect non-OPEC countries to produce almost 1 million barrels a day more than last year, mostly due to the U.S. shale. They also said that worldwide stockpiles of oil is just over 3 billion barrels, or 276 million barrels above the 5-year average. This is further confirmation that they are losing their grip on controlling oil prices.
Boy, that's tragic. I feel really bad for him.
I can tell.
I'm just devastated by the fact that OPEC cannot hold us hostage anymore. That's just terrible news. All right, Scott Crothers, where are we with the markets today?
Well, today on the futures, the Dow looks down 20 points. We get a look at retail sales and consumer inflation this morning. All things equal, we expect a light day before the weekend. We've had light days here lately in the market. So.
Yeah. You know, you talk about OPEC. You're old enough to remember, as I am. Kelly, you're not because you're a young spring chicken. But
thank you.
There were gas lines in the 70s and the early 80s where you would have to wait for hours to get gas.
Oh, no. Yeah, and luckily, I was in high school then, and luckily I worked at a gas station, so I could move right to the front of the line.
Oh, look at you.
It would have been rough. So.
Well, look at you. That's the way to do it. Yeah, there you go. All right, Scott Crothers, Steve Nicholas. Have yourself a good week. We'll talk to you on Monday.
That sounds great. Thank you.
You got it.